Okay, good morning and welcome to a new vlog from Cusco. Or it's not morning, it's actually 1 o'clock. We have just taken a very chill morning, trying to plan our lives and doing some admin stuff, kind of. But we didn't manage to book anything, so no, we haven't really done a lot. But now we're heading out to explore town. We're going to the Sacsayhuaman ruins and some other places, and then maybe in the afternoon we're gonna go on a free walking tour. The weather is pretty nice. It's warm, it's sunny, so we have shorts for the first time in a while. Hopefully we won't freeze to death. So we are going back to Lima after this. Tomorrow night we're arriving in Lima, and after that we want to go somewhere else. And we were thinking to go to Lobitos, which is like very up north, and we're debating if we should take the bus there, which is 90 pen, which is like $35. It's 20 hours and we don't know the condition of the bus really, or if we should take a flight. The flight is about $120. But yes, now we have about 20 minutes walking to some ruins, and then we're gonna visit some other ruins, and then we're gonna go home again. So it's gonna be a little adventure. Okay, steps incoming. So weird with the altitude here, you get so tired, like intense steps. Hello. Hello, Taquito. Look at this, pretty nice. This takes like 5 minutes every day, just cuddling the pets. Probably more, 20 minutes every day. We stop somewhere and just cuddle. Wow, look how pretty it is here with all of the pots and old buildings. We walked up these stairs and now I'm so hot. Both of us need to take our sweaters off, and yes, I have worn this t-shirt for every day since I got here. But it's better to use the same shirt than to use several, and then you need to laundry everything. So that's how I do it. There's a lot of these rock formations here that they built, and yeah, the stones are super big. I think that is like what amazes most people. The rocks are so big and how they got them here and how they cut them. It's very chill up here, very calm, always feeling good. These walls are so massive, like this is me, and then it goes a long way up. I just learned that Sacsayhuaman stands for zigzag, which all of these buildings are built in zigzag patterns, and that's pretty interesting. Honestly, I don't know much about this place, but I mean, it's pretty cool with all of the ruins, and I don't know how much it would be for a guided tour, but I think if you're not that interested in history, it's just nice to walk around here for like 15-30 minutes and just see all of the structures, because they're quite impressive, I would say. I think we are done here now, and we're gonna continue on to the other side. Some of these blocks are like huge, and I don't know how far they transferred the stones. Maybe they are from over there, but still, it's cool how they fitted them all together perfectly. Okay, I'm done with the Sacsayhuaman. Let's go to the Christ statue. There's a big one up here somewhere. Okay, we got a chocolate con queso. See, this corn on the cob with cheese. So it smells good. It smells like home. Let's try it. You wanna try? Look at the size of the corns. They're so big. It was good. It was like corn with salted cheese. So good combination, I would say. And look at this view that we have. We just said that there's a lot of flowers here that are like the same in Sweden. Like they have, I don't know the names in Sweden.
Maskros?
Yeah, I mean in English, yeah, maskros. And like it's almost more forest here than jungle. They also do have jungle in the Amazonas, but like here it's more very much forest, like back in Sweden, I would say. So like yesterday when we walked up, it was like I felt like I was walking in a meadow in like Sweden or Switzerland, and like yeah, it's very similar to home in some way. Another observation here in Peru is that a lot of dogs lose their hair. Like when they get older, it disappears and they get like naked dogs. I wonder why that happens to the dogs. If anyone knows why the dogs here lose their hair, please tell me in the comments.
Hola, perrito. Hola. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Wow. Hello, big boy.
They have colors reading here, coca leaves reading also. Kombucha, wow, workshops, nice. Here they have all of the mice. Ayahuasca. I bought this soap for the face, which was from Byredo, which is a very famous brand in Sweden. I don't know if it's Swedish, but Swedish? I think it might be Swedish actually. I don't know really, but it's a famous brand. Like everyone buys products from there right now, like all of the influencers. And I found a little soap, milk soap here for the face for like 5 soles, which is like $1.50, so 15 SEK. So super cheap. So I will try it out because my face is loco. Very bad. Now we're in Plaza Maor. So here is the church. Here is Plaza. We've been walking back and forth this road now 2-3 times trying to find this museum that is Arte Popular. And we went here first and we couldn't get in there, and then we went on the other place and we were like, no, it's not there, this is just a municipalidad. And then we went back and he was like, no, you need to go in by the municipalidad. And we were like, oh shit. So now we've been walking back and forth a few times. Is this really Arte Popular? I don't know. Okay, that was not our favorite. We're gonna go and try to find another. Okay, we made it to the Contemporary Museum of Art. And I don't know if this is our thing either. It's a little bit too much old stuff. Zeta, C, O, Cusco, Cusco, go, go! Alma, the tour guide. Oh, wait. Next up, Museo Histórico Regional. Sí, gracias. Aha, är det också där? Ah. Oh, it was in the same place. Oh my god. Are we sure? I think so. Vision song contest and food. Food. We are on our way to dinner with some of Alma's friends from home. They're here at the same time. We found out yesterday, so we're gonna go eat with them. It's so pretty here in night. Okay, hello again. It's a new day and it's actually 3 in the afternoon. Me and Alma are walking to a free walking tour here of the town, and before this we've just been sitting at a cafe. super good cafe though. It's called Avocado Toast, I think. They had the best avocado toast I've ever had. And it was so cheap. It was like, we paid $15 for 2 avocado toasts, 1 coffee and 1 iced tea. So super cheap. And we are leaving Cusco today, so that's why we've been sitting at a cafe. We are leaving at 8 in the night, so we've been trying to just do something. And now we're going on a free walking tour. It's been cloudy today, so it doesn't matter for us. We've been sitting outside, but now we're gonna go on a free walking tour. It's 2.5 hours, and yeah, it's gonna be nice. After that, I think we're gonna go straight to the airport because our flight is leaving at 8, and we can be there at 6. And this tour is approximately 2.5 hours. Me and Alma are both wearing our matching sweaters. We look like tourists a lot, I think, but it's nice. We're walking here over the plaza. It's super beautiful. The tour is starting in like 5 minutes from here, so it's nice.
There will be folk dances of the high schools on this Friday. That's what they're practicing.
Now we're taking a photo with all of these kids. Okay, we're gonna visit the San Pedro market now. So this market was built by the same guy that did the Eiffel Tower, which is pretty cool. I didn't know about that. And yes, they have a lot of stuff in here.
Section of flowers, vegetables, food, everything's here. This is a very good place to get a juice and a food and a souvenir. It's granadilla. It's very good. This one, it's the family of this one. This is the passion fruit. Granadilla is much more sweet. Marinate the fish for ceviche. Okay? Tumbo is tumbo. Also, very good. This is the prickly pear. It's a cactus fruit. Very watery, very sweet. Don't touch with all your palm of your hands. For ladies, we got this one, the red
This is
maca.
tasting like a sweet
The red
cucumber.
maca. Okay?
That's a potato.
Small plant.
Oh, it's very watery.
Okay?
This is where to eat 8 soles for a dish. Yeah, it's very cheap. Okay, so we're still on the walking tour, but we did learn a few fun things.
Like the first we don't have our not real alpaca.
No.
Like I told Luisa, Luisa was like, no, it's real.
She told me it was real.
And I was like, Luisa, it's not real. That's what we learned.
Yeah, they do offerings here with infant alpacas.
Baby llamas.
So
They do it for Pachamama.
yeah, like when they build a
Mother
house,
Nature.
when they build a house, they need to do an offering to Mother Earth. So they buy like these dried baby llamas. So they put them in the ground. Also, it's raining more and more.
Yeah.
But the market, the San Pedro market, was really cool.
Yeah, they have everything there.
Yeah, and it's very cheap. So if you want to get cheap food and cheap souvenirs, that's the place to go.
So Cusco had the shape of Puma. We don't see the shape of Puma now anymore. It's a big city. In the Inca times, this city was only for 40,000 people. Okay? And from the plaza, there were 4 Incan tourists to the north, south, east, and west. It was like 6 countries. Pasto, Colombia, Quito, Ecuador, Lima, Cusco, Peru, La Paz, Cochabamba, Bolivia, Salta, Mendoza, Argentina, Santiago, Chile. If you're wondering how about chicken, cows, pigs, sheep, goats, all of them were brought by the Spanish. Like in Inca times, none of these animals used to appear. So that's why Kinepic was for food. The best museum in Cusco is the Inca Museum.
Okay, we just learned why the dogs are hairless here. It's because of their genetics. Yeah, it's very common here that they are hairless, and they use them for rheumatic diseases. So, like if someone has pain in their, how do you say?
So you can bones?
Bones, and they hug the dog because they're warm. So cute. This is Inca.
So this Inca, that's what it.
Okay, a lot of things has happened. We finished the tour. It was amazing. It was super nice. Really recommend the tour with the Incan Milky Way. And Richard was a really good guide. Like we got to see the real Cusco, I feel like. Yeah, it was super nice. And now we made it to the airport. So we're waiting to check this big bag, and yeah, we have like 1.5 hours until our flight leaves, I think. So we're gonna try to eat something, and then we arrive in Lima at 10 almost at night tonight. So yes, fun travel day. Tomorrow's worse. Tomorrow is worse. Tomorrow we are taking a 20-hour-long bus to go to the north of Peru. Peru is really big, and we want to go to this place where there's really good surf, and the flight tickets were pretty expensive. So we're gonna take the bus for 20 hours, and it's like $25 each, so it's very cheap. We don't really know how the buses are gonna be. We think we're gonna get food on the way, but hopefully it's gonna be a nice little journey. It's the longest bus ride I've ever taken, I think. So it's gonna be very exciting, but
Yeah, but then when we arrive, we're gonna stay in a hotel like right in front of the beach. So I think it's gonna be nice.
yes, and I'm gonna have like 5 nights there, and then I'm gonna fly back to Lima and then fly home to Sweden. And Alma's gonna stay for a little bit longer.
Yeah, two more weeks.
Yes, but now the line is moving. We made it through security and we bought some food. We have our gate up there, but it's 10 and there's no 10 here, so we're a little confused, but it's fine, I think. Oh, was it? Oh, dry?